Is the Reserve Bank of India leaving lending rates unchanged? This is a bid, of course, to boost growth. Also concern over rising food inflation. What's making headlines, however, is the RBI governor's comments on private cryptocurrency, where he said there's absolutely no underlying value in private crypto at all.
Overall, taking into consideration the outlook
to the surprise and relief of many watching the RBI today, there was no hike in interest rates. Lending rate has remained at 4% for almost 2 years now. The immediate focus on faster growth.
large buffer stocks of cereals and effective supply-side measures augur well for food inflation. Core inflation remains elevated, but demand pull pressures are still muted.
However, there are a number of concerns the central bank listed. The growth forecast is 7.8%, lower than 8% that the centre's economic policy forecast last week. Inflation for the current year is estimated at 5.3%, and core inflation remains elevated. Private consumption, a major driver of growth, continues to lag. Also, the RBI asserted that cryptocurrencies are a threat to financial stability. While India is likely to grow at 9.2% in the current year, that's because of a low base effect. The economy shrunk the previous year. In fact, the headwinds remain. If crude prices head towards $100 a barrel again, as per a projection by Goldman Sachs, the RBI's forecast for inflation at 4.5% next year may go for a toss. Inflation concerns were also mentioned, with the RBI governor stating core inflation remains elevated. Remember, rising inflation is also a global concern. Markets and experts cheering this decision of not hiking interest rates in the last monetary policy for this fiscal. Sakshi Bajaj for NDTV.